Video Lectures, an ISR initiative by Shivanand Sharma Memorial RV College. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Mrs.Bharati Rathod of Department of Computer Applications, has posted a video on the subject Numerical and Statistical Method, and topic is Secant Method. Please watch the video till the end and like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Secant Method. Secant Method. Choose the interval x0 and x1, which is initial approximation. Find the first approximation by using x2 equal to x0 into f of x1 minus x1 into f of x0 divided by f of x1 minus f of x0. Find second approximation by using x3 equal to x1 f of x2 minus x2 f of x1 divided by f of x2 minus f of x1. In general, x of n plus 1 is given by xn minus 1 f of xn minus xn f of xn minus 1 divided by f of xn minus f of xn minus 1. Find the root of the equation f of x equal to x to the power of 4 minus x minus 10 equal to 0 by using secant method. Solution: given f of x equal to x to the power of 4 minus x minus 10, consider equation number 1. Now we will find the initial approximation value, that is x0 and x1. We will begin with the value of x equal to 0. Hence f of 0 equal to minus 10, which is lesser than 0. F of 1 equal to minus 10, also lesser than 0. We will have one more number, f of 2 equal to 4, which is greater than 0. Hence, root lies between 1 and 2. Let x0 equal to 1 and x1 equal to 2. Now we got the value of x0 and x1. Now we will find f of x0 and f of x1. By substituting x0 value in equation number, we will find f of x0. Similarly, by substituting x1 value in equation number 1, we will find f of x1. Now, first approximation x2 is given by x2 equal to x0 f of x1 minus x1 f of x0 divided by f of x1 minus f of x0. By substituting x0, f of x1, x1 and f of x0, we get the value of x2 equal to 1.7143. Now we will find f of x2. By substituting in equation number 1, we get f of 1.7143 equal to minus 3.0776. Second approximation x3 is given by x3 equal to x1 f of x2 minus x2 into f of x1 divided by f of x2 minus f of x1. From the previous step, we get the value of x1 equal to 2 and also find f of x1 by substituting x1 value in equation number 1. So, f of x1 equal to 4. Similarly, we got the value of x2 1.7143. Now find f of x2 by substituting this value in equation number 1. So we get f of x2 equal to minus 3.0776. Substituting these values in x3, we get x3 equal to 1.8385. Now find f of x3. By substituting x3 value in equation number 1, we get f of x3 equal to minus 0.4135. Third approximation x4 is given by x2 into f of x3 minus x3 into f of x2 divided by f of x3 minus f of x2. From the previous step, we got x2 equal to 1.7143, hence f of x2 equal to minus 3.0776 and x3 equal to 1.8385. So f of x3 equal to minus 0.4135. Now substituting these values in approximation x4, we get x4 equal to 1.84578. Now find f of x4 by substituting x4 value in equation number 1. We get f of x4 equal to 0.0545. Fourth approximation x5 is given by x5 equal to x3 into f of x4 minus x4 into f of x3 divided by f of x4 minus f of x3. From the previous approximation step, we got the values of x3 and f of x3 as well as x4 and f of x4. Substitute in x5, we get fourth approximation x5 equal to 1.8556. Now find f of x5 by substituting the value of x5 in equation number 1. We get 0.0004. Fifth approximation x6 is given by x6 equal to x4 into f of x5 minus x5 into f of x4 divided by f of x5 minus f of x4. From the previous step, we got the value of x4 and x5 and also find f of x4 and f of x5 and substitute in x6 approximated root. We get x6 equal to 1.8558. Now for every approximation stage, compare the value of approximated root, that is compare x2 with x1, x3 with x2, x4 with x3 and so on for better accuracy. Hence the required root is 1.8558. Thank you for watching.